So this is the Word file which demonstrates image denoising and sharpening using various libraries using OpenCV, Python image library, and Matplotlib. So let me go through the code. First, the libraries we have imported is CV2. This is a library in OpenCV used for image processing, and then NumPy as NP. So this imports the NumPy library typically for numerical operations on arrays. And the third one is Matplotlib, import pyplot as PLT. So this imports Matplotlib for displaying images. Then from PIL import image. This imports the Python imaging library to work with the images. Then comes the import image filter. This imports the image filter module from Python imaging library for applying image filters. So at last we have plt.style.use seaborn. So this basically sets the matplotlib style to seaborn for plotting. So our first step in this code is to load the image. So for that we have lol.jpg. So this code reads an image named lol.jpg using OpenCV's cv2.imread and stores it in the image variable. So after that we denoise the image. So image denoising is performed using cv2.fastNL means denoising colored function from OpenCV, and the result is stored in the DST variable, and the parameters are 11, 6, 7, 21, which controls the denoising process. And how do we save the denoised image? The denoised image is saved in denoise.jpg using the cv2.imwrite function. And then what comes is how can we open the denoised image? The denoised image is opened using the Python imaging library, that is image.open function, and is displayed using show. Then how can we apply a sharp filter to the existing image? So a sharpening filter is applied to the denoised image using PIL's image filter.sharpen. Then what we do is that we apply the filter, and the sharpened image is stored in sharpened1 variable. And after applying a sharp filter, how can we save the sharp filter? The sharp image is saved as after underscore sharpening dot jpg using the sharpened1 dot save. Then we read the sharpened image using OpenCV. The sharpened image is read using OpenCV's cv2.imread and is stored in image2 variable. Then we display the images using OpenCV. Means the original image, denoised image, and sharpened images are displayed using OpenCV's cv2.imshow. Initial, denoising, and final, three types of images are shown in the output, and the final sharpened image is saved as final.jpg. And how can we have access to it? cv2.imwrite is the key. We do wait for the user input. cv2.wait key with 0 function is used to keep the OpenCV windows open until a key is pressed. So how can I give an overview of the entire code? So this code demonstrates a sequence of image processing operations, including denoising and sharpening, where both OpenCV and PIL are included. It then displays the images using both PIL and OpenCV and saves the processed images to files.